Hello everyone, welcome to Amazing Account. Today we'll do accounting entry in Tally, payment, receipts, contra and journal. So let's start. Click on it and it's open. Go in accounting voucher. Press F5. F5 for making any kind of payment. When you will press F5, window will be this. Let us pay electricity bill for the month of April. I am paying electricity charges rupees 500, cash or bank. Put here cash and entry can be electricity charges to bank. Bank name, it's up to you which one your bank name. Select it and save it. Before save it, you will put narration. Electricity bill paid for the month of April 21. CA number also you can write and save it. For saving you can use enter and control A. Control A save to directly. When you will press control A, then easily save directly. And I am making new payment and making new ledger. I will press Alt C for making new ledger. Create easily Alt C. Using Alt C you can create yourself ledger, any ledger you want to create. It's up to you. I am creating like telephone charges, so I am writing here telephone charges. I have to pay telephone bill for the month of April, so I am making new ledger telephone charges and it's an indirect expense and save it. Now I am making payment telephone charges using bank. Bank name you have to select which one is your bank you are using in business, and narration over there you have to write being telephone charges paid for the month of April. And after then when you will write narration, enter it, save it. We have done our payment and now we will do receipt. Press F6 for making receipt. So I am making new ledger using Alt C. You can make new ledger. I am making new ledger rent received, which is indirect income. I have selected indirect income and enter it. You know the entry. Cash or bank account debit, credit any income. Like I have credit rent received and debit cash. Being cash received from rent, detail mention over there in narration and save it. Let us do again entry like commission received, credit and debit any cash, bank, whatever you want to do. Like I am making new bank using Alt C, HDFC Bank, which under in bank account I have selected from, you can see over there, and press enter and save it. Credit commission received and debit bank and write narration being commission received and save it using control A or enter it. So we have done payment, entries, received entry. Let us do contra entry. What is contra entry? This mode used for transfer entries between cash and bank, cash to cash transfer or bank to bank transfer is also made through this made. So press F4 for contra. I am doing cash deposited into bank, so cash account will be credit and debit bank account. So you have to select bank account and details mention over there. Like 10,000 rupees I am depositing into bank. Narration is over there being cash deposit into bank, and after then save it using control A or enter. done it. It's done. So we have done our contra entry, and now we will do journal. What is journal? Normally this mode doesn't accept any cash and bank ledger. This mode is basically for adjustment entry. Let us do, like I am doing rent. Rent is due but not paid, so I am making ledger rent, which is under in indirect expenses. Like 25,000 is due but not paid. Now I will make rent outstanding ledger. I am creating, which is under in current liability. I am making 25,000 rupees is right over there. Being rent is due for the month of April, which is not paid. It's up to you. Narration right over there, and save it. Enter it and saved it. Finally we have done payment, receipt, contra and journal. So we can see our balance sheet. So we will go in balance sheet and see our balance sheet as on dated. We will see balance sheet. You can see over there, Alt F1 in detail. So finally we have done all entries: payment, receipt, contra and journal. Thank you for watching.